Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to pay with Klarna on Airbnb. And here is a workaround, but before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So let's dive into it. So one of the first steps is to open the Airbnb website or the app. Then the step 2 is to search for and select the property you want to book. Then step 3, you have to tap reverse to proceed to the payment page. Then under the payment option, select Klarna if available in your country. Then sign in, which is your step 5. Sign in into your Klarna account or create one. Then on the step 6, you have to choose your preferred Klarna payment plan, which is pay later. You can also pick the pay in installment. Then on the step 7, confirm the payment through the Klarna. Then step 8, complete the booking on Airbnb and receive your confirmation. And that's how you can easily pay with Klarna on Airbnb. Hope you find the video helpful. Give it a turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more videos.